Alright guys, so today I am in Malibu and we're gonna walk down the Malibu Sport Fishing Pier, which coincidentally is right across the street from Jack in the Box, which is a popular food chain here in California, and they have the most Jack in the Boxes in the world with 942 locations. Alright guys, now we're gonna get on to Malibu Beach. The sand is not that hot. I'm walking on the sand, so that's cool. Sometimes when you go to the beach, the sand is burning hot. You're literally hop-skitching. And as you see, as we approach, surfboards only, no swimming, wading, bodyboards, kayak, huh? I see people swimming and I see boards, so I guess people don't listen or they don't care. Oh shit, this water's so cold. Oh shit, this water is freezing. Yo, this water is freezing. It made my voice high pitch. Damn, but it looks stunning and it is clear. I will say that. It's clear water, but it is icicle. I want to walk over there because I think I see like a bunch of birds, but I'm not sure if they're rocks or birds, but let's see. We're going to walk through the wet sand, which now looks like mud, but actually this looks stunning right here. Wow. It kind of looks like a little river going through the sand over here, especially. Let's get a closer look. And after you're swimming and get wet and cleaned off, you can walk down here to the Malibu Pier. That rhymes, I'm a rapper. This is where you can get some food, do some fishing. Hopefully we'll see some people fishing, catching some fish.
These might go, but those pins.
I like how they have the tables and chairs overlooking the water. It's pretty epic. This is actually pretty cute. You got the Speed Queen, $1 per ride for kids. That is so cute. So it'll feel like they're on a boat. And it's right here by the water. And as we're walking through, you'll see the different families fishing on the pier. They have setups with tents, which is pretty cute. It's pretty cool to make it like a whole family day. I remember when I was a kid going fishing with my grandpa in New Jersey. I don't see no fish, but I'm sure they're catching lots of it.